everyone, this is Shivani from Srivari Engineering Works. Yet again another video today. Happy Republic Day everyone, Jai Hind. And today we're gonna see one of my favorite cars, Renault Duster, the automatic version of it. So here we have our hand control kit, which perfectly fits the console without damaging the dashboard. It's perfectly fit, and this is how it goes. Accelerator and the brake. It's very easy with the finger pressure, and there it's done. So this modification is specially done for the differently able people with the problem in their lower limbs. So in addition to that, we have another alteration in this. So here we get to the other alteration. As you can see, there are 3 pedals in here, which is usually not the case. While only brake and accelerator serves the purpose. As you can see, when I press the accelerator, this one doesn't move, but this is the additional accelerator provided for people with their disability in right lower limb, so they can use this instead of this. So can you see this? Yeah, so when a normal person drives it, it is very easy. You can very well press the accelerator and fold this one, so it's like it doesn't even exist.
For me, the left leg is very active, so he has adopted for me a left accelerator pedal. As you could see, there is a left accelerator pedal over here, which has a link to the right accelerator. This pedal can be folded back for normal driving, and for my use, it can be kept at the bottom. So you're going to see me using the left accelerator. I started to cruise using the left accelerator, and the same leg you can use for stopping. So both my hands are free for steering. There no need the hand control. Thank Srivari Shankar for fitting this device, and allow this device and just enjoying the drive. Thanks to Srivari.